WBRC Law Call.
Well, welcome back in, everyone. Thanks for staying up with us. We are talking about fighting the insurance company tonight, which a lot of folks have issues from time to time, so it's really a great topic. We've got a lot of folks hanging on the line for us, and we appreciate that. We're going to start with Laura, who's in Birmingham. Good evening to you, ma'am. How can we help you this evening?
Yes, I'm having problems with my refrigerator. So I have a warranty on it, and I pay the fee every month.
Okay.
And for months, I've been having the same problem with the refrigerator. They come out, they can't fix it. They've replaced all the parts. This has been going on ever since I purchased the refrigerator. About every year, I have the same problem with this refrigerator. They will not replace it. They're telling me that one of the workers has to stay and submit a thing for me to get a new refrigerator. Well, the last guy that came, he didn't even touch the refrigerator because after he read everything that's been going on, he said, well, it's not fixable. We can't fix it. They need to give you a new refrigerator, but they will not replace it. What do I do? The company that I purchased it from is no longer in business, but they do have a warranty thing that they will send people out.
Wow.
And I'm just having a lot of problems with this refrigerator.
And
this the last time it's been going on since this summer.
And when did you purchase it originally?
I originally purchased this refrigerator probably 6 years ago.
Okay.
And months after I purchased the refrigerator, the same problem I'm having now is the same problem I started having.
Wow.
And I bought it brand new. They actually cut it out of the box at my house.
Wow. I'm so sorry for that. Your advice for Laura?
Well, you know, we've all had issues like this, and it's good that there's a warranty. It's bad that the company's out of business and that you're dealing with, you know, kind of that. There's really not a legal solution because when you think about it, you know, they've got all this fine print, and there's going to be an arbitration agreement, and the value of, you know, this would be limited to, you know, the value of a refrigerator. And so, you know, you can't really get an attorney involved because, you know, nobody would pay for the fees. You could pay for 5 new refrigerators for what, you know, it would cost an attorney to get involved. So they kind of got you. Now, the fact that there is that warranty and there's a track record of you going, you know, time and time again, calling, is really the best thing that you have going for you. So my advice would be, you know, squeaky wheel gets the grease.
Okay.
All right, be the squeaky wheel and continue. I know it's a pain. Calling. They don't want to hear from you and you don't want to make the call. But if you want your new refrigerator, you're going to have to just keep calling them because it sounds like you're entitled to it.
Okay.
But it's going to be a pain. I mean, that's just one of those things
and I'm
that
so sorry, Laura, that
you have to deal with,
yeah,
you know, as a consumer a lot of times because the laws are not made to help consumers, by the way.
Wow.
The laws are made to help, you know, the larger companies, and I'm sorry that's the case, but I would just keep it up and don't stop, okay? Don't let a year go by and throw up your hands, all right? Because if you don't, they're going to say, well, you know, a year, this is something else now. Something else caused it. It's not the original problem. So just keep it up. I'm sorry I don't have like a legal solution for you, but it's more of a practical solution.
Okay. Hopefully that helps, Laura.
Yeah, sorry.
Basically become a pain in the past, and we hope you get that new refrigerator soon. Thank you for calling.